So I'm out here on this old home site and I'm about to take my GoPro camera and go down in an old well. You don't realize how hard this is for me to do because I'm so super paranoid about losing my GoPro. I started off taking my 15-foot long bore scope camera and going down in this old well. So here's this little camera. I'll put a link below in the description where you can find these on Amazon. It's got 15 foot of cord here. So what I'm going to do is just straighten it out, plug it in, and go for it. There's me upside down. So it's directional depending on which way you turn it. So I got it on the front camera. Dang. I don't want to drop this down in there. Okay, so it's going. So the idea, preferably keep it straight as possible. You know, it would be good if I had a weight on end. I think that would definitely help. All right, went to my truck, found some electrical tape. So I'm going to take this rock and I'm going to fasten this rock to the camera. When it goes down in there, it will go down straight. Okay. All right, here we go. Should be perfect. All right. I heard water running. It's the cow up there peeing. It's looking good. So the goal here is to get all the way near the bottom. I want to see what's on the bottom of this well. Wow. Switch cameras. Camera. They actually have ones that are longer, like you could go deeper, because I'm at 15 feet here, and what has it got, another 10 feet, something like that. Let's go with the side view coming up just to see what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to take my GoPro and go down in. Hopefully I don't lose it, so we'll see. All right, it's securely locked on here. And, okay, let's see. All right, we've got about 25% battery, and we're going into the old well here. And I've got it on this pole to where I can extend it. And hopefully the pole stays together. Okay, second click, and the third extension. Okay, so I'm just going to stick this in and you can see the well, and then I'm going to take the other tool that I have, camera, and go down in there with it. Oh, come on, don't do that. Okay, getting caught on stuff here. See, like I said, I'm super paranoid about losing my GoPro. Okay, here we go. Take that out. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna get a bit closer. All right, here we go. So there's not even any water in there. Lets us down at the very bottom. I initially thought it was full of water. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to try to adjust my... There we go. Let's get different. Be better if I could get the light on the end of the pole here with the GoPro. Okay, let's come back out. Give my hand a break. Let's go down in like this just to see what it looks like. All right, we survived. I'm gonna tighten that up and I'm gonna stick it in like this. Picture's gonna be upside down, but I'm gonna do my editing and we'll get it turned right side up. This will be like the side cam, the side view. Around the rocks. Rock lined, that is. Alright. Okay, now just take my other camera. And go down